What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and I'm going to take you to the Broken Arrow Trail in Sedona, Arizona. We're going to go wheel the truck house. Let's go. Almost to Sedona, so I'm gonna grab some coffee at the local coffee roaster and we'll head to the trailhead. Obstacle number one. Check this ledge out. Little bit gnarly for a truck camper, but we going. Maybe this is the first hard-sided truck camper to even go up here. I have no idea. Tell you what, it'd be nice to have some lockers in this thing. It's my next step in the project. So the trail splits right here, and I believe Devil's Staircase is up there. We're going off to the left of it, and it just loops around, so I gotta come down this. Hey.
Oh, smart man.
Well, you know, if something bad happened, I figure I'd catch it.
Yeah, it's called, I'm doing the same thing.
If I had lockers, I think I'd get up. It's just not happening though.
Yeah.
It's too heavy.
Have you been on the trail before?
Well, as you guys saw, that wasn't happening. If I had lockers in the truck, if all 4 of my wheels are spinning, I would have gotten up it, but I'm completely open on my axles in the front and the back. So I've got all this wheel slip and just can't do it. Like I was saying, that's gonna be my next big upgrade to the truck house, is doing lockers in the front and rear, some ARBs or something. That way I can gain a whole bunch more traction whenever it gets slick or my wheels are in the air. A couple of the trail crew guys stopped by and told me that the canopy, the trees get really low and I wouldn't be able to fit under it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around just to be safe and not tear my truck up. So I'm up on top of Submarine Rock and I get a view of Oak Creek right down there. Got this new lens. It's my first zoom lens. Pretty sweet. Hopefully this looks pretty detailed and sharp. The zoom isn't smooth on it, but I'll get used to it after a while. Pretty awesome lens though, even if I'm trying to look like way out there. That's super far away. Stoked to get some nature shots in Alaska with this lens. They're dropping the Devil's Staircase right now. Really, really steep. I'm filming this from up on Submarine Rock, 600-700 feet away. Testing out this new zoom lens. Pretty sweet. So you guys are gonna get a kick out of this. You know why I couldn't get up that obstacle? I locked my driver's side hub and I freaking forgot to lock my passenger side hub. I've been in two-wheel drive this entire time. I bet I can make it up that if I turn around. I cannot believe I was in two-wheel drive this entire trail. I can't believe I've made it up those obstacles now that I look back. It's insane. Almost made it in two-wheel drive, if that says anything. Anyway, should be easier now. We're gonna head back out. I still cannot believe I forgot to lock my one hub, which made my entire front axle not spin any wheels. That's nuts. It really makes me want to go back and try that obstacle again, but I'm already heading back out this way. That, and I talked to the trail guide and he said it would be too low, the canopy, which I would absolutely believe. I already almost broke my rack off in these trees. It grabbed my bike handle and twisted the handle sideways, so I'm gonna have to readjust my handle on the bike. You'd think you'd be out in the open desert, but it's pretty low brush. If I took the camper off, I'd get up here fine, but I'm 11 feet tall in the center of the camper and 9 feet on the edges. Then I've got like the chimney and all that sticking up, so you gotta really watch it on these branches. Well, I guess that's a wrap, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you did, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Peace, y'all.